Want to upgrade your car's sound system without blowing your budget? You're in the right place! Today, we're diving into the top 5 best 6.5-inch component speakers under $100. Perfect for audiophiles on a budget looking for rich bass, crisp highs, and clear mids. These speakers deliver premium audio without the premium price tag. And yes, they're all under $100. Stick around because number 4 will absolutely surprise you. All links are in the description below. Don't miss out. Number 1. JBL Stage 2 604C 540. Audio specs. Stage 2 series speakers deliver the JBL signature concert sound in your car, minivan, or SUV at an amazing price. Number 2. Recoil REM 65. Lightweight thermal-formed polypropylene cones enable faster mid-range response. Number 3. Hyanka HCM 65. Immerse yourself in a powerful audio experience with the Hyanka HCM 65, boasting an impressive 600 watts of power. Number 4. Rockford Fosgate Prime 165. The Prime R165S is a 6.5 two-way component system rated at 40 watts RMS, 80 watts peak for a new generation of factory replacement speakers. Number 5. MB Quart SB2016. Wideshare creates a large sweet spot for all listeners, even from the smallest speakers. So there you have it. 5 killer 6.5-inch component speaker sets under $100 that'll give your car audio a serious boost without draining your wallet. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Explore all these speakers now using the links in the description. You'll get the best deals and help support the channel at no extra cost to you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that for more budget tech guides coming your way. Thanks for watching.